The Best Buy credit card delivers its strongest value when you regularly buy electronics from Best Buy. While the Amazon card is built to reward everyday shopping across Amazon's marketplace, instead of one retail category. By the end of this video, you'll know which card gives you better rewards based on where you actually spend your money. Here's the quick answer. If most of your larger purchases are laptops, TVs, gaming consoles, or appliances from Best Buy, the Best Buy credit card is usually the better fit. If Amazon is your default store for household items, office supplies, clothing, and everyday purchases, the Amazon card is often the smarter long-term choice. Start with where the rewards come from. The Best Buy credit card focuses on purchases made at Best Buy. That works well if you upgrade electronics regularly or shop there during major sales. The downside is that you'll earn the most value only when you're buying from that retailer. The Amazon card takes a broader approach. Many people use Amazon for everything from groceries and pet supplies to phone chargers and school essentials. If those purchases already happen throughout the year, earning rewards becomes part of your normal shopping, instead of something you have to plan. Now think about redemption. Best Buy rewards are generally designed to be used toward future Best Buy purchases. That's convenient if you know you'll be back for accessories, replacement devices, or another upgrade. Amazon rewards naturally fit future Amazon orders, making them easy to use if you're already shopping there on a regular basis. Purchase habits matter more than reward percentages. Imagine spending several $100s each year on computer equipment and home electronics. A Best Buy-focused card could make sense. On the other hand, if you place Amazon orders every week and only visit Best Buy once or twice a year, the Amazon card usually provides more consistent value. You should also think about flexibility. Electronics are often occasional purchases, while Amazon covers a much wider range of everyday products. That difference can make rewards easier to earn without changing your shopping habits. The best rewards card is the one that matches your spending, not the one with the biggest marketing headline. A card that rewards purchases you already make will almost always outperform one that encourages you to shop somewhere you rarely visit. Before applying, check your bank or credit card statements from the last few months. Count how often you bought something from Best Buy compared with Amazon. That simple comparison will usually point you toward the better card. If this helped you narrow down your choice, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other straightforward credit card comparisons.